Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lavisha. I'm studying Biological 1. I'm studying Biological 1 class. I'm starting a poem about fish. Now let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a